not joking. There are people who do that. Like, I spend like 200K to buy a new Ferrari. I will tell him, do you need a Ferrari? I am not saying you not to buy a Ferrari, but why you should buy it now? Because if you buy it now, you will be in debt. If you are in debt now, for the simple reason it is useless now. You will use it, you can buy it easily when you are 33, 34, because you will have a lot of money. Maybe if you have money to spare, of course, take it. But right now, simply be rational about your own expenses. Try to put a little bit of money apart. Like, I don't know, you earn maybe, you work as a clerk, and you can take apart $200 each month, okay? Like, of your own expenses. Put 200 this month, 200 the next month, 200 next month, 200 next month. And in years, at the end, when you'll be 30, you will have a little bit of money apart.